Question number 16. The number of bacteria in a liquid medium doubles every day. Let's understand the meaning of this statement first. So let's say initially the number of bacteria is 100. On second day it becomes double of 100, which is 200. On third day it becomes double of 200, which is 400. On third day it is double of 400, which is 800. So what I am doing, every time I am just multiplying it with 2 because it is doubled every day, every single day. So if you see this sequence, right, how this is changing, it's 100, then 200, 400, 800. So 2 and then 4 and then 8. So it's 2 to the power 1, 2, 2 to the power 2, 4, 2 to the power 3. This is how it is changing, right? And 2 to the power 0. So 100, 200, 400 and 800. That means it's exponential growth. So I am giving you the link, I button, press the I button. There I have explained what is the difference between linear and exponential functions. So it's exponential, right? And there are 44,000 bacteria in the liquid medium at the start of the observation. That means this is the initial value. And because now we know it's an exponential function, so let's write ABX, right? A is the initial value. What is the initial value? That means when we have started the experiment, what is the number of bacteria? 44,000. How it is changing? It is changing with the power of 2, right? And after T days, so that means T is the input here, and this Y will be the output. After how many days, what will be the number of bacteria? So let's see what is the option here. No, it is not the initial value. No, A is always the initial value. That means whatever is the data at the beginning of the experiment. No. Okay, initial value is correct, but it is showing that bacteria are becoming half of the previous number, which is not the case. Bacteria are doubled. So that means 2 is the rate of 2 times T is the rate of change. So D is the right option.